Welcome to Basic Science Lights the Way. Our faculty experts demonstrate how broad existential ideas that have confounded humanity for millennia can be approached through precise experiments. Only by asking the greatest questions can we make the most significant discoveries.
So what I'm talking about today is something called multiverse. You may have heard in the movies and so on. So the idea that our universe, entire universe, may be one of the many types of universes.
We study evolution of plants in different climates using experimental evolution in genomics. We discovered new genes connected to heat adaptation. And we've also seen that evolution might have limits, and understanding those will be key to understanding plant responses to future climate change.
Surprisingly, we still don't understand why is it that in some people, TB can enter into the lungs, the macrophages are able to control the infection, and the person does not develop tuberculosis, whereas in other people, the macrophages fail and symptoms develop.
All organisms have evolved from a single common ancestor, right? What's really interesting about the archaea is that they are the progenitors for humans and all the macroscopic life that we see around us.
And this is really interesting because compared to, say, the aurora, which are these nice lights, Jupiter's magnetic field is so much stronger that it's causing this, tornado to show up, which I think is very fascinating.